Hi guys, welcome to CAT CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a ANSYS Workbench software is Learn here, and this software is a 19.2 is a this is a latest version, and this software is very advanced version is Learner. And okay guys, this is a very important, and this lecture is a 2 point is discuss here. First point is polyline and second is polygon, and this 2 point is a very play a role or design our body. Okay guys, ANSYS Workbench drawing tool is all drawing tool is one by one is discussed here. Okay, let's start here this okay, and this is a workspace is very important, and unit is a prefer this going to this tool, and okay, and this unit is a okay, this is a going to this tool, and unit is a perfect okay, and this 2 point is a discuss here this first point is polyline and second is a polygon. Okay, uh, this tool is drawing tool is all is one by one is discussed here, and all tool is a one by one is discussed here, and this is a modifying tool is also discussed here, and dimension tool is also discussed here, and constant tool is also discussed here. But this is a modify tool, this is a drawing tool is this and at first going to this polyline is click here and drawing this any board any line is going to this showing a horizontal and showing this vertical, and this is a continue line and not cut here. Okay, this and drawing this line, a polyline is this drawing this, and very important point is this, and right click and going to this option, and this is open end and close end, and going to this close end, and then first point and last point is automatic connect here. Okay, and again this line drawing this and drawing this and this tool point first point and second point it automatic connect here, then going to this a close line, then 2 point is connect here, and a line this okay, this line and right click and going to this option and open end, then both is a open here, not connect here, and then this right click and going to this end. Okay, and again this is a delete here, and this is a right click and going to this close, then 2 point is a close here. Okay, all is perfect, and again going to this option is a polyline is click here, and polyline is a number of this edge, a number is this is a 6 and click here any point is this at first click origin, and then this is a this and then this point is a click here. Okay, click here this. Okay, this is this point, and this origin point is also this point. Okay, and this point is also click here this point, and number of this is a number is change here, and then going to this is a 5, and good this is a pentagon is a okay, this is a create this is this, and again this is a change here 8, this is a hexagon, this is a 8. Okay, and okay, this is a drag here this is a drawing this symmetry is a 8 edge point, and okay, and again select this 6, then this is a hexagon this is a this is hexagon, and this is a octane, and okay, all is perfect. Okay, Okay guys, okay, and escape here. And this is a 2 point is a discuss here, a very important point. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.